Tired of losing sales because of complicated or untrustworthy payment options? Today, I'm going to show you how to connect Plaid to your Shopify store, a game-changer for streamlining payments and boosting customer trust. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, click on Payments to access your payment settings. Scroll down to Payment Providers and click at Payment Methods. In the search bar, type Plaid to find the Plaid app. Select the Plaid app and click Install to add it to your Shopify store. You'll be redirected to Plaid. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your bank account. This usually involves securely logging into your online banking platform through Plaid's interface. Plaid will securely verify your bank account details. Once verified, return to your Shopify settings. Backing your Shopify payment settings, ensure Plaid is activated as a payment method. You might need to configure specific settings, like enabling ACH payments. Now, your customers can securely pay directly from their bank accounts, reducing fraud and improving their checkout experience. Connecting Plaid to Shopify is a simple way to make payments smoother and more reliable, leading to happier customers and more sales.